And hi, I'm Umi Umaira and from Grade 3. And wait for a second. Oh no, my computer is broken in the middle of the presentation. Why now? And cut. Don't worry, guys. My partner Hafiz will help me in presenting my pitching day. But what do I do if this situation happened to me? If you were in the same situation, what should you do? And what should you do if your computer is jammed and overheat? Oh my gosh. But mostly, likely for all of you are going to the computer shop and pay probably 3,000 ringgit and buy a new computer, and that cycle repeat. And over the year, you will spend almost 1,000 for just a computer. Hence, that's why I'm here today to help you and teach you to recognize what is hard disk and how to pay for a computer only 300 instead of 3,000. How is that possible, guys? All right, so with a budget estimation, it's only 1,750 only. Okay, no fees for all participants. All participants also will get certificate, food, and new knowledge. We'll present to you hardware and troubleshooting workshop. 2 days event workshop, 19 and 20 February from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. in each day. But not only that, we will bring you guys to respect the person in UNITEN, Sir Isambet Abdul Aziz and Sir Surzal as our speaker. The venue of the workshop is ITMS Department UNITEN, and not to worry, this workshop will strictly comply all the SOP as advised by the government. Hashtag kita jaga kita. All right, next. This amazing news doesn't stop here, guys. Our team marketing bureau has already prepared strategic planning to organize this event. First, we will set up invitations, email to encourage all of the students in joining this workshop. Second, we will utilize all social media platforms, namely Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, to advertise this workshop. So next is, however, only 30 lucky students will get to join this workshop. And why? Why is that? This is so happy, Mr. I know that you are feeling like that. But idol Steve Jobs has said, quality is more important than quantity. 1 home run is much better than 2 double. I hope you guys understand that. But don't be panic, guys. For the registration method, we will provide you the easiest way to register for the program. First, it's only to click for the Google form. And that's all from me. I hope that from the steward batch once a new technology rolls over, if you're not part of the stream loader, you are part of the rules. That's all from me. Thank you.